Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is today's quote. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Everything great that ever happened comes from decision and bravery of someone who wanted to try. They wanted to try and make something happen that would achieve something. Maybe they wanted to better themselves, maybe they wanted to create something for other people, but overall, something that will benefit at least one person. And that's because that one person wanted to give it a go. What could you try today?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.